So, first of all, this was amazing. This was a great week. We are so grateful that you guys enjoyed it with us, and we have to do this again next year.
Absolutely.
We have to do it again next year. So,
This is the most unique vacation that I can ever remember.
I mean, you and I got to see a bunch of great things. And plus, for us, they let us take it at our own pace.
That was so cool, but you know, our favorite part was...
Definitely all of the adventures we did.
Say every adventure was just new, every single one.
all the adventures were great, but we really loved the culture.
And the food.
But babe, let's not forget about the burger.
Look, I see what you're saying, but my favorite were the views.
I mean, everything we saw was absolutely breathtaking.
We gotta do this again, right?
From horses and horsepower to Hollers, check in and win your ultimate Kentucky getaway.